If your Chevy Traverse is refusing to fire up, it's usually down to one of these 5 common failure points. Nearly half of all no-start cases in this SUV are simply due to a dead or weak battery. Before you call a tow truck, let's run through a systematic diagnostic check. Start with the basics by verifying your battery health and listening for the fuel pump's prime. If you hear a single click when turning the key, your starter motor is likely the culprit. Fuel delivery issues are also common, specifically with the high-pressure pump used in these engines. While batteries and starters are easy DIY jobs, fuel pumps and computer issues usually require a shop. Expect to pay anywhere from $200 to over $1,000 depending on the component. If the basics look good, try shifting into neutral to rule out the safety switch. You'll need a basic multimeter and an OBD scanner to accurately find the problem. Remember that a loose ground wire can mimic a dead starter, so clean your connections first. Diagnose carefully, and you'll have your Chevy Traverse back on the road in no time.